Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Sticker Mule and signing in so your account, shipping, and billing are ready. Next, select the exact product, sticker, label, magnet, and set size, die cut, and finish. This determines price and production time. Upload your artwork now. Use 300 dpi, CMYK, and a transparent background when applicable so colors and edges print correctly. Once uploaded, use the preview tool to confirm placement. Then proceed to quantity and shipping options to move into production. Now refine your art and order specifics to avoid delays. Use the crop and bleed settings to maintain a 1/4 inch safe zone. The preview lets you check corners and orientation. Then choose quantity and production speed. Larger runs lower per unit cost, and faster turnaround raises price. Review the digital proof carefully and request revisions if edges, colors, or text look off. Approve only when satisfied, because approval sends your files to print and starts manufacturing. Complete checkout by entering payment, selecting shipping, and applying any promo codes. Confirm totals before submitting. Once the order ships, use the tracking number to monitor delivery and plan a quality inspection when it arrives. Inspect prints for color, cut, and defects immediately. If something's wrong, contact Sticker Mule support with your order number, clear photos, and a short description so they can verify and offer reprints or refunds. Stay calm and provide specifics to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.